Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, checking your phone, and seeing that while you were sleeping, your bank account grew. No overtime, no clocking in, no boss breathing down your neck, just money coming in while you dream. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But thousands of regular people are doing it every single day through something called affiliate marketing. The surprising part, you do not even need your own product. Today, I am going to walk you through exactly how affiliate marketing works, how you can start, and how to turn it into a real stream of passive income. But there's one huge mistake most beginners make that causes them to fail before they even earn their first dollar. We'll get to that later, so make sure you stick around. Number 1. What affiliate marketing really is. At its core, affiliate marketing is simply promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission for every sale or action made through your special link. Think of it as being a matchmaker between a buyer and a product. If you've ever recommended a great restaurant to a friend, you already understand the concept. The only difference is, with affiliate marketing, the business actually thanks you with money instead of just a smile. For example, Amazon Associates allows you to share links to products, and if someone buys through your link, you earn a small percentage of the sale. Number 2. Why it's perfect for beginners. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start earning online because you don't need to create your own product, handle shipping, or manage customer service. Your only real job is to connect the right people to the right product. That means you can start with minimal investment, often just your time and effort. It's like opening a store without paying rent, hiring staff, or stocking shelves. Number 3. The secret to choosing the right product. This is where most beginners go wrong. They pick random products just because the commission looks high. Instead, you should look for products in a niche you understand or are passionate about. If you know about fitness, promote workout gear or health supplements. If you're into personal finance, share budgeting tools or investment platforms. When you care about the topic, you'll promote it naturally, and people can sense authenticity. Imagine a vegetarian trying to sell steak knives. It won't feel right, and people will notice. Number 4. Where to find affiliate programs. You don't have to hunt in the dark. Major companies have affiliate programs. Amazon, Walmart, Target, Best Buy, and more. Then there are dedicated affiliate networks like ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and Rakuten. If there's a brand you love, just Google their name followed by affiliate program. Chances are they have one. For example, software companies often offer recurring commissions, meaning you get paid every month the customer stays subscribed. That's where the real passive income magic happens. Number 5. How to get your affiliate link. Once you join an affiliate program, you'll get a unique tracking link. This is how the company knows the sale came from you. When someone clicks it and makes a purchase, you get your commission. Even better, many links have cookies that last for days or weeks. So if someone doesn't buy right away but comes back later, you still get credit. Amazon, for example, has a 24-hour cookie window. Others have 30, 60, or even 90 days. Number 6. How to promote without being pushy. The golden rule is to provide value before asking for a sale. If you're promoting kitchen appliances, make a video showing how to cook a quick breakfast with one. If you're recommending a budgeting app, share a story of how it helped you save $500 in 3 months. When people see the benefit first, buying becomes an easy decision. Think of it as being a helpful guide, not a desperate salesperson. Number 7. The power of content creation. Affiliate marketing works best when you create content that attracts your audience naturally. This can be blog posts, YouTube videos, TikTok clips, Instagram posts, or even a podcast. The content answers a question or solves a problem, and your affiliate product becomes the solution. For example, if you create a video titled Best Laptops for College Students, you can include affiliate links to the laptops you recommend in the description. Number 8. Choosing the right platform. You don't need to be everywhere. Pick one platform where you're comfortable creating content consistently. If you like talking, YouTube or a podcast might work best. If you love writing, start a blog. If you enjoy quick, snappy videos, TikTok or Instagram Reels could be perfect. Starting small allows you to focus and master one skill before expanding. Number 9. Understanding the commission structure. Not all commissions are equal. Some programs pay a one-time fee per sale, while others pay recurring commissions. For example, selling a $50 book on Amazon might earn you $2, but referring someone to a $50 monthly software subscription might pay you $20 every single month as long as they stay subscribed. Over time, those recurring commissions can grow into serious passive income. Number 10, building trust with your audience. People only buy from those they trust. That's why transparency is key. Always let people know you may earn a commission. Ironically, being honest actually makes people more likely to buy from your link because they appreciate the openness. Trust also comes from recommending products you've actually tried or thoroughly researched. Number 11, the mistake that kills affiliate earnings. Earlier, I promised to share the biggest mistake beginners make. Here it is, promoting too many unrelated products. If one week you're recommending a blender, the next week a laptop, and the week after a hiking backpack, your audience won't know what you stand for. You'll confuse them and lose their trust. Instead, stick to a clear niche so people know what to expect from you. Number 12, using email to multiply your sales. Relying only on social media or search engines means you're at the mercy of algorithms. But if you collect email addresses, you can reach your audience anytime. You can send valuable tips, updates, and product recommendations directly to their inbox. This builds a stronger connection and can lead to more sales over time. For example, someone might watch your video today, join your email list, and finally, make a purchase 3 weeks later after getting more helpful tips from you. Number 13, tracking and improving. If you're not tracking your clicks and sales, you're guessing. Most affiliate programs have dashboards that show you which links get the most clicks and which products sell the most. This tells you what's working so you can double down on it, and what's not working so you can stop wasting time. For instance, you might discover that a blog post about best coffee makers under $100 brings more sales than 10 of your other posts combined. Number 14, thinking long-term. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's more like planting a garden. You plant seeds in the form of content, water them with consistency, and over time, they grow into a source of income. The first few months might be slow, but as your content and audience grow, so does your income potential. Some affiliate marketers earn a few $100s a month, others earn thousands, sometimes more than a full-time salary. Number 15, the passive income reality. Passive income in affiliate marketing doesn't mean zero work. It means you do the work up front, creating content, building trust, and promoting products. And then that work keeps earning for you in the future. It's like recording a song once and earning royalties every time it's played. The more quality content you create, the more income streams you can build. Number 16, leveraging seasonal trends. Certain products sell better at specific times of the year. For example, fitness equipment and meal plans often spike in January when people set New Year goals. Back-to-school supplies and laptops sell well. In August, holiday gifts dominate November and December. By aligning your promotions with these trends, you can catch waves of buying interest and increase your affiliate sales without extra effort. Number 17, creating comparison content. People love to compare before making a decision. You can create product A versus product B content to help them choose. For example, iPhone versus Samsung Galaxy. Which should you buy? Can attract people who are close to purchasing and just need a final nudge, adding pros and cons for each option builds trust and makes your recommendations more credible. Number 18, offering bonuses. A clever way to make your affiliate offer stand out is to add a bonus for buyers who use your link. For example, if you promote an online course, you can offer a free ebook or a private Q&A session for anyone who signs up through your link. This extra incentive can push someone to choose your link over others. Number 19, repurposing your content. One piece of content can be turned into multiple formats to reach more people. A YouTube video can become a blog post, a series of Instagram reels, and even an email newsletter. This not only saves time, but also increases the chances of your affiliate link being seen and clicked. Number 20, targeting high buyer keywords. Some search terms signal that a person is ready to buy. Phrases like best budget laptop for students or top-rated coffee maker often come from people ready to make a purchase soon. Creating content around these keywords puts your affiliate links in front of motivated buyers instead of casual browsers. Number 21, using storytelling to sell. Stories connect with people on a personal level. Instead of just listing features of a product, share how it solved a problem for you or someone you know. For example, instead of saying this planner has monthly pages, say this planner helped me cut my work stress in half because I finally had a clear daily plan. People remember stories more than facts. Number 22. Testing different formats. Your audience may respond better to certain types of content. Try tutorials, product reviews, unboxings, listicles, and case studies to see what works best. For example, a tutorial showing how to use a budgeting app may convert better than a general review of the same app. Number 23. Networking with other creators. Collaborating with other content creators in your niche can expose your affiliate links to a bigger audience. You can do joint videos, podcasts, or blog posts. When you tap into someone else's audience, you gain credibility faster because the trust they have in that creator transfers to you. Number 24. Focusing on evergreen content. While trends are powerful, evergreen content continues to bring in affiliate income year after year. Examples include how to save money on groceries or best home workout routines. These topics stay relevant and can keep generating clicks long after you publish them. Number 25. Educating before selling. If your audience doesn't understand why they need the product, they won't buy it. Teaching them first can make your offer more appealing. For example, before promoting a water filter, you could explain the dangers of unfiltered tap water. Once they understand the need, the sale becomes much easier. You now have a clear path from zero to your first affiliate commission and beyond. The question is, will you actually take action and start planting those seeds today, or will you let this opportunity pass you by?